The essential guide to retirement planning strategies for millennials. Retirement is often the last thing on a millennial's mind. Between student loans, the high cost of living, and a dynamic, often unpredictable job market, it's hard to focus on an event decades down the road. But the earlier you start planning for this milestone, the more time you have to secure a comfortable retirement. Let's dive into the essential strategies for millennial retirement planning. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Understanding the basics. What is retirement planning? Retirement planning, in its simplest terms, is the process of outlining your retirement income goals and determining the necessary steps to reach these targets. Sounds straightforward, right? But there's more to it. It's akin to planning a cross-country road trip. You need to know your destination, retirement income goals, the fuel needed for the journey, savings during your working years, the type of vehicle best suited to navigate the path, investment types, and the kind of life you want to lead once you've arrived, your lifestyle in retirement. Retirement planning is not just about numbers. It's about envisioning your future life and then working backwards to make that vision a reality. It requires taking into account all aspects of your financial life. For instance, how much do you anticipate being able to save each year during your working years? What kind of lifestyle do you envision for yourself when you retire? Which investment vehicles seem most aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals? Your answers to these questions will shape your retirement planning process, influencing decisions such as how aggressively to invest and how much to save annually. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a custom roadmap designed to ensure you reach retirement equipped with the resources to enjoy it comfortably. Don't worry if you're unsure about any of these aspects right now. The beauty of retirement planning is that it's a continuous process, allowing for adjustments along the way. As we explore further strategies, you'll gain a better understanding and confidence in shaping your retirement roadmap. Start early to enjoy compound interest. When it comes to retirement planning, time is indeed money. By starting your retirement savings journey early, you're setting the stage for your money to multiply through the wonders of compound interest. Imagine your savings as a snowball at the top of a hill. The longer the hill or time until retirement, the more the snowball can grow as it rolls down, collecting more snow or interest along the way. In essence, compound interest means earning interest not only on the money you initially put in, also known as the principal, but also on the interest that money earns over time. This creates a snowball effect where your earnings generate their own earnings. And this is where time plays a crucial role. The longer your savings can generate compound interest, the more significant the snowball effect becomes, and the larger your retirement savings grow. Consistent, small contributions to your retirement fund can end up yielding substantial results thanks to compound interest. Think of it as planting a tree. The sooner you plant the seed, start investing, the longer it has to grow, earn compound interest, and the larger it becomes, your retirement savings. Diversifying your investments for a robust portfolio. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't put all your financial hopes in a single investment. Building a diversified portfolio is like creating a financial safety net. It spreads your money across a mix of different investments, reducing the risk of losing it all if one investment takes a hit. Picture this: you're creating a delicious smoothie for your retirement. You wouldn't just use one fruit, would you? No, you blend different fruits together to balance the taste and get a range of nutrients. That's what diversifying your portfolio does. It blends different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to balance the risk and reward. Each of these investment types performs differently in different market conditions, which is why having a mix can help cushion against volatility. Choosing the right mix of investments depends on factors like your financial goals, your tolerance for risk, and your time horizon until retirement. The rule of thumb is to have a more aggressive portfolio in your early years, which can tolerate higher short-term risk for long-term gains. As you approach retirement, gradually shift towards more conservative investments. Leverage tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Think of tax-advantaged retirement accounts such as 401ks and IRAs as the special guests at your retirement party. Why? Because they bring the gift of significant tax breaks, either now or in the future, making a substantial contribution to your overall retirement savings. Not to mention, these accounts often come with another perk: employer match contributions. Imagine a potluck where your employer brings a dish identical to yours. That's what an employer match on your 401 is like. They match your contributions up to a certain percentage, literally doubling your input. This is essentially free money flowing into your retirement fund. But remember, just like any party guest, these accounts come with their own set of rules, like contribution limits and early withdrawal penalties. Navigating these rules can be tricky, but the potential savings make them worth the effort. If you're unsure, consider seeking advice from a financial planner or doing some dedicated research. These tax-advantaged retirement accounts can be an invaluable part of your retirement strategy, helping to grow your savings and secure your financial future. So extend an invite to these special guests and watch your retirement party become a grand success. Be consistent with your saving habits. Building consistency in your saving habits is like developing a fitness routine. It's not about being perfect, but about showing up day after day. Establishing a routine of setting aside a portion of your income regularly is an effective strategy in amassing a healthy retirement fund. It might seem daunting at first, especially when dealing with financial constraints. But remember, it's not about how much you save, but how consistently you do so. A great way to flex your saving muscles is by setting up automatic contributions. Think of it like a gym membership for your finances. With this approach, a predetermined amount of money goes directly from your paycheck into your retirement account every pay cycle. This automated process ensures that your retirement savings don't get overlooked or neglected amidst life's other expenses. Plus, it eliminates the temptation to spend that money elsewhere, fostering healthier financial habits. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts. Envision high-interest debts like credit card debt as a giant snowball rolling down the hill toward your retirement plans, gathering momentum and size with each passing day, threatening to knock over your carefully built retirement nest. That's precisely what high-interest debts do. They can majorly derail your savings journey, guzzling up a substantial portion of your income in interest payments. Therefore, just as you would outrun the snowball, it's essential to outrun these high-interest debts. Getting out of high-interest debt should be a priority in your retirement strategy, just as essential as saving and investing. Why? Because every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar less that you could be saving or investing towards your retirement goals. The quicker you can eliminate these debts, the sooner you can refocus your financial resources on building your retirement savings. To effectively combat high-interest debts, consider strategies like the debt avalanche or debt snowball methods. The avalanche method targets debts with the highest interest rates first, while the snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Each strategy has its benefits, and the best choice depends on your personal financial situation and motivation style. Plan for healthcare expenses. In the grand performance of your retirement, healthcare costs often take center stage. It's no secret that health expenses tend to ramp up as we age, and it's crucial to factor these into your retirement planning. Think of it as scripting the healthcare act of your retirement performance well in advance. There are several ways to go about this, and health savings accounts, HSAs, or long-term care insurance are two great methods worth exploring. Think of an HSA as a special pot filled not only with your contributions but also with tax advantages. This triple tax-advantaged account allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, grow your investments tax-free, and withdraw money tax-free for qualified medical expenses. Essentially, it's like having a health-oriented, tax-sheltered piggy bank for your future self. On the other hand, long-term care insurance is like having a financial bodyguard, stepping in to cover costs when you need long-term medical care. This could be in-home care, assisted living, or nursing home care. It's not a pleasant scenario to contemplate, but having this insurance can ease the potential financial burden, allowing your retirement savings to stretch further. Never stop learning about personal finance. Venturing into the world of personal finance is like embarking on a thrilling expedition. With each new discovery, you equip yourself with the tools needed to conquer the financial challenges that may stand between you and your retirement goals. Stay curious and never cease in your quest for knowledge about financial strategies, tax laws, and investment options. Consider it as attending a series of masterclasses that enrich your understanding and make you a more informed investor. The landscape of personal finance is constantly evolving, much like the seasons. By keeping up with these changes, you'll always be prepared, no matter what the financial weather might bring. Make use of resources like financial blogs, podcasts, and books. Attend webinars and workshops. Engage in discussions with financial advisors, or even join a local investment club. Every bit of knowledge you gather is like a golden nugget, adding value to your retirement treasure chest. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.